My name is James, I'm a culinary expert for Miele. Culinary Experts talk people through the whole range of appliances that we have on offer. Now with this steam combination oven, I can actually program up to 10 steps of cooking. We talk about the different designs, the different colours, the different sizes, and the different applications that each cooking appliance features. Program that into the oven, takes the guesswork out of cooking. All right, hassle-free. We want to make sure that the Miele guests who decide to purchase Miele, they make a really informed decision. They are built to last. So what I want to do is just make sure if you do purchase a Miele appliance, it's the right appliance for you. There's no pressure, it's relaxed. They get to ask lots of questions. When I take this green bean and I cook it in the steam oven, I lose less vitamins, minerals and nutrients, and I retain more flavour. They get to sample some really awesome food, tasty food, food that will give them a really good idea of what they can cook in a Miele appliance. Today I'm going to be serving the roasted pork belly with the crackling, duck fat potatoes, and what I've got here as a nice little side is an apple and celery remoulade. So there's a little bit of acidity and bitterness in this remoulade, so that will actually cut through the richness of the pork belly. So the main things to think about when you're purchasing a Miele appliance is the dimensions, size of your family, and also think about what you like to cook or what you aspire to cook. That will really help the culinary experts guide you to the perfect appliance for you. I want you to come back and see me in 2 years and 3 years' time and say, look James, that Miele Experience class was perfect for me because you helped me choose the perfect appliance for my family. And I have, and the results are amazing. If you're interested in purchasing a new appliance, or even if you want to up your game, I do recommend coming into a Miele Kitchen Experience.